Before I start off with the early learning reading strategies, one of the most important things a teacher can do, regardless of any grade level you're teaching, really, but one of the most important things that a teacher can do is obviously make sure that the environment in the classroom is safe and a place where students feel like they can take risks with reading and that that's a place that they're excited about reading. And really the first thing you can do is just foster that positive reading environment to ensure that these strategies can take place in the first place, because really without that environment or that enthusiasm to teach reading or new reading strategies, these are not going to be effective. The first reading strategy that I found was verbal scaffolding. So it's pretty self explanatory, but the teacher can serve as the more knowledgeable person in a conversation between students and teachers, using spoken interactions to guide and extend student learning. The teacher is not alone in the construction of knowledge. Providing information is not sufficient because students learn by engaging in meaningful conversations with the support of the teacher. So this isn't just the teacher talking at the students. This is having a meaningful conversation about a text with students and allowing them to come up with the initial thoughts and ideas about the text, but then building off of them and make helping them grow so that students get more out of the conversation. Verbal scaffolding is a key element in constructivist classrooms. It is through meaningful conversations between students and teachers that guided problem solving can occur in reading instruction. This can lead to effective and critical thinking. Studies suggest that teachers scaffold children's reading behaviors by using language effectively. They respond to a student's reading behaviors with talk that is designed to bring the student a little further. So, like I said, you're not talking at the students. You maybe start the conversation, but really they guide the conversation, and then you're able to kind of just push it a little bit further and expand on what they have already said to you. This is something that I think teachers do naturally um, in any classroom, no matter what you're teaching and what you're learning about. So I think this is a really awesome strategy for any teacher to really think about and maybe see how they could practice this strategy to improve on what they've been doing in the past.